said, now listen here, friend, I tell you I'm hip, hip, hip. Why don't you mind your own business? Shut your lip, lip, lip. I know when the girl give me the slip, slip, slip. I said the roof is leaking up, rain's falling on my head. Oh yeah, I cry so hard, teardrops on my bed. Oh Lord, that's what I said. Hey, 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 hey,
The night was black, rain falling down. Look for my baby, she's nowhere around. Traced her footsteps down to the shore. Afraid she's gone forevermore. I looked at the sea and it seemed to say, I took your baby from you away. I heard a voice crying in the deep, come join me, baby, in my endless sleep. Why did we quarrel? Why did we fight? Why did I leave her alone tonight? That's why her footsteps ran into the sea.
This magic moment, so different and so new, but like any other, until I kissed you, and then it happened. It took me by surprise. I knew that you felt it too, by the look in your eye, sweeter than wine, softer than the summer night. Everything I want, I have. Whenever I hold you tight, this magic moment, while your lips are close to mine, would last forever, forever till the end of time. Oh, 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 ooh. Sweeter than wine, softer than the summer